Everyone knows Puran Poli, but for me, Puran Poli is never complete without a bowl of spicy Katachi Amti. Combination of sweet Puran Poli and spicy Amti is simply unbeatable. And the best part, we are not wasting anything today. Remember the dal water we save while making Puran Poli? That's what we'll use to make this delicious Maharashtrian Katachi Amti. Let's start. Heat a pan and dry roast the grated dry coconut until lightly golden. Then add sesame seed and roast for a few seconds. Remove and keep them aside. In the same pan, roast the onion. Then add ginger, garlic and coriander stem. Roast until everything becomes soft and aromatic. Let everything cool completely, then grind it into a smooth masala. Now heat a kadai. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once they splutter, add curry leaves and chop garlic. Now add garam masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, spicy red chili powder and turmeric and saute well. Immediately add the ground masala and roast it well. If it starts sticking or burning, just sprinkle a little water and continue roasting until the oil starts separating. Now pour in the reserved dal water and mix everything well. Add salt. Let it come to a nice boil. If you enjoy a tangy flavor, you can add a little tamarind. I usually skip it because I love the bold spicy taste just the way it is. Finally, add lots of freshly chopped coriander. And just like that, our spicy flavorful Katachi Amti is ready. Now serve it hot with mouth-melting Puran Poli and enjoy the perfect Maharashtrian combination. Trust me, once you try them together, you will never want to eat Puran Poli without Katachi Amti again.